Another game. Move two stick to get the egg out.
Okay, I'm gonna start.
Can you just
Wait,
Can you just get the blue one?
do we move it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you will move the two stick and make it the same shape.
Make it the same shape.
And you will make to get the egg out.
The same shape.
Yeah, the egg is still inside.
Oh. Yeah.
That shit.
Wait, what? What do we have to do?
Read it.
But the egg is out.
Yeah, it's out. Like
It's
out.
still inside.
You made it upside down.
Oh. But it would fall,
We have to move.
basically.
Two.
Yeah,
Huh.
move two stick.
Bruh. The egg has to fall off the table.
No. You
No.
have to move to like it has to be close. Surrounded by it.
Egg ka aliang laya umlai. And
How's the egg gonna move?
it will be the same shape.
There. Skinny. Why are you thinking
I don't
of
know.
this?
It is still inside.
So the egg has to move.
It's still inside. Egg ka chunga ko ka alianga nan chia la.
Wait.
Yes.
Do what you think.
This is a hard one. I want an easy one.
You're not even thinking. You're just playing with your crayons.
Hold on, wait.
Come on. Blessing win already $10.
I don't know what I'm doing.
That's an H.
This is not the same shape.
That looks like a 4.
Wait, it has to be like this?
Same.
Yeah,
What?
just like
What
that.
that mean?
The shape is like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like this, right? You move two stick and you will make the same shape, but the egg will be out. You got it?
Yeah. Put that away.
Okay, Van, try.
This is confusing.
Take out the box.
Who want to win $10?
Me.
You?
Yeah.
Okay, try.
Stop.
Alam pani hibantuk pung sante in khan phundang te in khan tu anak ding kha alam pani
I can't. Hold on.
Move two stick to get the egg out.
Is this
You
the
can
one?
touch only two stick and move it and make it the same shape and the egg out.
What is your thought?
Don't tell me to.
I don't know.
This shape is like American football goal right?
I see it.
Yeah, American football goal tung bantuk tin khan phundang tin khan an tu ala le ek kha leng le an chia la.
Oh, you think at it?
Do you?
Yeah. I don't know what to do.
Charlie, are you there?
Okay.
Come on, Mary, your turn.
Yeah, you haven't tried.
Okay.
Okay.
She's gonna
Touch two stick.
Two. It has
Okay.
to be that shape.
At least touch two stick and make it.
You have to move it, and it has to be the same shape.
Just try it. Zai te pung san en dan tua kan zo tu la kha van try ve tua.
Perry,
At least try.
just try.
Parent,
Try.
Did you see the video before? Can you tell us? Don't look at me. You're gonna laugh.
Okay, and move it here, and it's still inside.
Oh my god.
It has to be out.
Like, out what? The box.
Hmm?
It has to be out. What shape is that?
I don't know.
What shape is that?
Wait, does it have to connect?
Yeah. The same shape.
And it has to look like the Y, but the egg is not
Hmm?
surrounded.
Okay.
If that makes sense.
Mary don't understand. It has to be the same shape.
A Y, but it can't be surrounded.
Like I said, if you guys don't touch and try it, you guys will not make it. You guys have to touch and move around, and that. No, 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 no.
Mm.
This is American football.
American football.
Kavan boy touch ตัว
You try.
touch แล้ว try ตัว
Okay.
So it can't be surrounded?
Yes.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
That was
I'm
like a
trying
mean
something.
face.
Yeah, she is trying.
Why? This is so confusing.
Okay, blessing. Come on, come on.
You got it.
This is hard.
I know.
Just try it.
Come on,
Do you even
blessing.
know?
I know you got it.
No. You got it, and you got it. Paraffin, no.
Pierre, move.
I just want to do
Pierre, come here, come here. Sit.
That's what I.
Kara, come
It's a
back.
Y.
I want you.
I don't know what shape is this.
It's a Y.
Yeah.
What if we just do this?
What?
Just push it.
No. Wait.
I know
You might be onto something. Because it's only moving 2 sticks. Right?
That means you move all stick.
Oh, yeah, that's true. So.
Nope. Ines?
Oh!
Ines?
I was gonna.
She got it. She got it. Yeah, yeah.
No, I was gonna just do this.
That's the first thing.
That's the same thing.
Huh.
I don't know.
Why do you keep making the same shape?
Okay. I will. That is like a cup. Mm.
There is 2 ways you guys can make it.
So
This is very easy one,
You
not
sure?
hard.
Are you
Blessing,
sure?
this is not the hard one, okay?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's me.
Boy.
This is bring tears.
Bruh.
Wait.
It's still the same.
If it touches together, it's okay, right?
Yeah.
They have to connect.
So that's 1, 2.
No, bruh.
But it's touching each other.
No, it's still
Is
surrounded.
is that the same shape?
Yeah, it has to be the Y shape.
You're wrong.
Goofy. Ah, I'm just kidding. Just put it back over. Really.
Yes.
This is not the same
You're not
shape, man.
Bruh. Wait.
That's
Make
you.
I'm just moving it. I was thinking. Oh, wait, hold on.
Give me the
I was thinking.
Yeah. Oh.
But then that's,
That's
3.
three.
Wait, but he said.
Yeah, the first one that you touch
It's like that.
is
It's like that.
not like that,
Oh.
but you have to move that one.
Okay, we have to move.
The
I
blue.
give you a hint.
Wait,
Hey.
put it back where it was. It was here, so we can move this one. But where would we put it? Oh no. Wait.
Almost. Blessing, come on, think.
Why are you aiming it towards me? Help me.
Come on, Blessing,
I
think
wanna
deeper.
Okay, then help me.
Almost.
I can only think in deep 1 inch.
Okay, shut up.
Come on, Van, think, man.
I'm so tired.
I'm gonna just. Where should we put this?
Wait.
Here?
Jimmy, don't. Mary, don't lean on the
Yeah,
table.
Eh, eh.
What are you doing?
Me? I don't know.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
She don't know. She's trying. She's trying, right?
Or I'll move it here, but then that would be 3.
Yeah.
Let's see, try something. Just move pink. Just move the pink one somewhere.
Somewhere.
Well, you have to move 2.
No, I'll give you a hint.
This is the
First, move blue one.
Okay, so we have to.
What are you moving?
very something. If you make the cute bread.
Just put it here for now.
Yeah.
But then,
How will we get these two here?
yeah.
I don't know.
Let me show you. Let me tell you.
But
Here.
I feel like when he's gonna show us, it's gonna seem so easy.
Yeah, it seems so easy. Same time, it is easy.
The ad wasn't lying about when my IQ was 132.
ปัญหิข้านั้นมูฟลายอาร์ติข้าเลียงะนั้นตัลลาย
Wait! I got it!
Yeah! Yes! Okay, Jamie got it. See?
Wow.
Now,
Put your money so I can steal your money.
now the egg is out, right?
Yeah.
Vanboy, did you see it? Huh?
Yeah.
You see it? Blessing, you see it? Okay. High five. Good job. Now you got 10.
Yeah, I got $10.
I want to save money.
No.
Okay.